Okay, I'm here right now in the mountains, the dump site, and I'm here in the place. Wala diha. The place of Danica. Danica is right here. Say hello, Danica. Say hi.
Hi.
Mm. That's Danica. She's speaking. What's yung gibuhat day?
Nagudlot.
Okay, sige. Para asa man na siya?
Panon.
Para utanon, para sudaan, panihapon. Okay. Sige, sulti ko no sila, istoryahay sila day. Kung kani siya, utanon na mo ni.
Pila lagi.
Okay. So, this, what Danica is doing is she's picking up sprouts of we call it a kamuti top or sweet potato leaves, and she is preparing that for dinner, for mealtime. That's Danica right there.
Danica.
She didn't go to school now this time. I don't know, maybe she's helping her mom. It's her mom. So this is one of her chores, picking up vegetables here in the backyard. So wala si Jenisil. Balik sa talinhibay. Kinahanglan mo ito na ako nga naa siya aron makuha ng picture nga ilang gidawat ang gift. So pwede na ako ipadawat pero mahanta tong naa. Anyways,
Wala si Danica.
hi Corbin and everyone in Turbulence, especially the kids who help Danica. There's Danica, she's kind of shy. She can speak English, but she's also, like I said, she's shy. So, okay.
Oh.
Yep. So wala